The Mewe blender is a powerful and handy kitchen appliance that makes blending and grinding easy.
It has a strong 1,800 watt motor, which makes it have a very impressive performance, including blending very tough ingredients such as beans and tiger nuts into smooth seedless paste. The blender comes with 2 cups, a large 2.5-liter cup and a smaller 500 milliliter cup for dry ingredients. Perfectly designed as a blender and grinder combination.
If you love watching this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notifications.
It uses 100% copper coil motor, which means better durability and power usage. The blender has 20 adjustable speeds and an impulse function, so you can adapt the texture of your preparations to your needs. It has a guaranteed safety and stability. Thanks to its non-slip feet, this powerful ice-crushing blender remains stable on your table surface, even at full power. With a 1-year guarantee, take full advantage of the performance of this Mewe blender.